Guys, welcome to the unit. Basically, when you enter this house, it's going to be living area. You have the dining, the kitchen. And let's go to the second floor. This is three-story, three-level duplex, guys. This is 9.5 right now. So if you reserve, bigyan namin kayo ng discount. Wow, nice! We have a small room here in the second level. We have a common toilet and bath here. Then we have another small room. And then, wow, there's a pink room here. The third room.
Every level has well-lit areas due to the windows.
And we're off to the third level. So, hello sir, hello po, ma'am. Magandang umaga po. Guys, we're on the third level. So, probably, this is going to be the master's bedroom, or you can turn it into a studio. There's a toilet on the third floor. But it's going to be oldies, so it's for the kids. We have a viewing deck area or something like parang balcony po, no? So, maganda dito.